Booking a hotel room over the phone. Good afternoon, Grand Central Hotel.
Hi, I would like to book a room.
Of course. What dates are you looking at?
From the 12th to the 15th, please.
That is 3 nights. Let me check.
I hope you have something available.
You are in luck. We have rooms.
Oh, great. What types do you have?
Single, double, or deluxe room available.
What is the difference in price?
Single is $80. Double is $110.
And the deluxe, how much is that?
Deluxe is $150 per night.
That is a little too expensive.
The double is very popular and comfortable.
Does it have a nice view?
Yes, it overlooks the castle actually.
Oh, wow, I will take that.
Wonderful. Can I take your name, please?
Yes, it is Marco Rivera.
Perfect, Marco. And a contact number?
Sure, it is 07700900456.
Got it. Do you need breakfast included?
How much extra is breakfast, please?
Just £12 per person per day.
Yes, please. Include that for me.
Perfect. You are all booked in, Marco.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Helen.
We look forward to welcoming you soon.
I cannot wait. It sounds lovely.
Have a wonderful day, Marco. Goodbye.
You too, Helen. Goodbye for now.
Sending a package at the post office.
Good morning. How can I help?
Hi, I need to send this package.
Of course. Where is it going today?
To Australia. My sister lives there.
Okay. Let me weigh it for you.
I hope it is not too heavy.
It is just under 2 kilos. Good.
Oh, great. That is not too bad.
How fast would you like it to arrive?
How long does standard delivery take?
Standard is about 10 to 14 days.
Is there a faster option?
Express takes 5 to 7 days.
How much more is Express, please?
Standard is 18. Express is 32.
That is quite a big difference.
It is popular for gifts and birthdays.
It is actually her birthday next week.
Then Express would arrive just in time.
Okay, then Express it is, please.
Great. Does the package contain anything fragile?
Yes, there is a small glass inside.
I will mark it as fragile for you.
Oh, thank you. I really appreciate that.
Would you like tracking on this package?
Yes, please. How much is that?
Just 2 pounds extra. Very worth it.
Yes, please. Add that on too.
Perfect. Your total is 34 pounds.
Can I pay by card, please?
Of course. Tap here when ready.
Done. Thank you so much, Steve. Buying a second-hand car.
Good morning. Looking for a car today?
Yes, I need something reliable and cheap.
You have come to the right place.
I do not have a huge budget.
That is absolutely fine. What is your budget?
Around £5,000 maximum.
Good. We have several options for that.
Oh, great. I was a little worried.
What kind of car are you looking for?
Something small, easy to park in town.
This Ford Fiesta might be perfect then.
Oh, how old is this one?
It is a 2018 model. Very clean.
How many miles does it have?
Just 42,000. Very low mileage.
That is quite low for a 2018.
Previous owner barely drove it. Very lucky.
Can I take it for a test drive?
Absolutely. Let me grab the keys now.
Perfect. I am quite excited, actually.
Haha, that is always a good sign.
I have been looking for weeks, honestly.
Well, today might be your lucky day.
How much are you asking for it?
It is listed at 4,800.
Could you go to 4,500?
Let me check with my manager quickly.
I really hope he says yes.
Good news, 46 is the best we can do.
Okay, I will take it. Deal.
Excellent. Welcome to your new car, Lisa.
I cannot believe it. Finally. Calling a plumber for a leaking pipe. Hello, Carol's Plumbing. How can I help?
Hi, I have a really bad leak.
Okay, try to stay calm. Where is it?
Under the kitchen sink. It is everywhere.
Is the water still running right now?
Yes, it is getting worse every minute.
Turn off your stopcock immediately, please.
Confused. My stopcock. What is that exactly?
It is the main water switch at home.
Oh, I think it's under the stairs.
Yes, turn it clockwise to stop the water.
Okay, hold on 1 second, please.
Take your time. I'm right here.
Done. The water stopped. Thank goodness.
Perfect. You did really well there.
That was so stressful. Thank you.
Now, tell me more about the leak.
The pipe under the sink is cracked.
Okay, that is actually a simple fix.
Really? I was so worried, honestly.
Can I come around this afternoon?
Yes, please. How much will it cost?
Roughly 60 to 80 pounds total.
That is not too bad at all.
I will bring all the parts needed.
Perfect. What time can you come?
I can be there by 2 o'clock.
2 is perfect. Thank you, Carol.
No problem. Do not use the sink until then.
Believe me, I definitely will not.
Good. See you at 2 then.
See you then. Thank you so much.
Buying a birthday cake at a bakery. Good morning. Welcome to Rose's Bakery.
Hi, I need to order a birthday cake.
How lovely. When do you need it?
By this Saturday morning, if possible?
Saturday is perfect. We can do that.
Oh, brilliant. I was a little worried.
Who is the cake for today?
My daughter, she's turning 7.
How sweet. What flavor does she like?
She loves chocolate. Absolutely obsessed with it.
Most 7-year-olds are. Perfect.
She would eat it every single day.
What size would you like the cake?
We have about 20 guests coming.
Then a large 3-tier would be perfect.
3 tiers. That sounds very impressive.
It feeds up to 25 people easily.
That is exactly what we need then.
Would you like any decorations on top?
She is really into unicorns right now.
Oh, we do a beautiful unicorn design.
Really? She will absolutely love that.
We can add her name in pink icing.
Yes, please. Her name is Lily.
Lily, what a beautiful name. Perfect.
How much will all of this cost?
The large unicorn cake is 85 pounds.
That is quite reasonable, actually. Okay,
I will need a small deposit today.
how much deposit do you need?
Just 20 pounds to confirm the order.
Perfect. Here you go. Thank you, Rose.
At the swimming pool.
Good morning. First time here today?
Yes, I have never been here before.
Welcome. Do you have a membership card?
No, I am just visiting today.
No problem. Day passes are available here.
Oh, good. How much is that?
$6.50 for a full day pass.
That is very reasonable, actually. Great.
Do you need to hire a locker?
Yes, please. How does that work?
Just £1 coin. You get it back.
Oh, perfect. That is really simple.
Do you have your own swimming costume?
Yes, I have everything in my bag.
Great. Changing rooms are just down there.
Is the pool very deep today?
The shallow end is 1.2 meters.
Oh, good. I am still learning, actually.
We have beginner lanes on the left side.
That is really helpful. Thank you, Nathan.
Lessons are available on Tuesday and Thursday.
Oh, really? How much are the lessons?
Just £15 for a group session.
Is it for complete beginners, too?
Absolutely. All levels are very welcome here.
Excited. I might sign up for that, actually.
Just speak to the front desk after swimming.
Perfect. I will definitely do that.
Enjoy your swim today. Have fun.
I will try my best. Thank you.
You'll be fine. The water is warm.
That is exactly what I needed to hear. Buying groceries on a budget. Hi there. Can I help you today?
Yes, please. I need some help, actually.
Of course. What are you looking for?
I only have 20 pounds today.
Okay. Let us find the best deals.
That would be really helpful. Thank you.
What do you need most this week?
Bread, eggs, and some vegetables, please.
Our own brand items are much cheaper.
Are they as good as the others?
Honestly, yes. Most people cannot tell the difference.
Really? I did not know that.
The own brand bread is just 60 pence.
That is amazing. I will take that.
And eggs are 140 for 12.
Perfect. That is very reasonable today.
For vegetables, the reduced section is great.
Reduced section? Where is that exactly?
Just at the end of aisle 4.
Oh, brilliant. Let us go look there.
These carrots and onions are half price today.
Perfect. I will definitely take those.
You are doing really well on budget.
I am trying my best today, honestly.
You still have about 12 pounds left.
Really? That is better than I expected.
You could add some pasta and rice.
Yes, that would last me all week.
Own brand pasta is just 50 pence.
Brilliant. This has been so helpful, Diane.
My pleasure. Every penny counts these days.
You are absolutely right about that.
At the pharmacy with a prescription. Good afternoon. How can I help?
Hi, I have a prescription here, please.
Of course. Let me take a look.
My doctor gave it to me today.
Okay. This will take about 10 minutes.
Is that normal? Seems quite quick.
Yes, we have everything in stock today.
Oh, good. I was worried, actually.
Are you taking any other medication currently?
Just vitamin D, nothing else really.
That is fine. No problems there.
Good, I was not sure about that.
Have you taken this medication before?
No, this is my first time.
I will explain everything when it is ready.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Do you have any allergies we should know of?
I am allergic to penicillin, actually.
Thank you for telling me. Very important.
Is this medication safe for me then?
Yes, absolutely. This is completely different medication.
Oh, thank goodness. That worried me.
Your medication is ready now. Here you go.
How many times do I take it daily?
Twice a day. Morning and evening, please.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, always. Never on an empty stomach.
Okay, that is really good to know.
Come back if you have any concerns.
I will. Thank you so much, Paula.
Feel better very soon. Take care.
Thank you. I really needed that today.
First time at the dentist. Good morning, Leo. Come on in.
Good morning. I am a little scared.
That is completely normal. Do not worry.
I have never been to a dentist before.
Really? How old are you, if I may ask?
I am 24 years old.
Okay, let us start with a checkup.
Will it hurt at all?
I will be very gentle, I promise.
Okay, I will try to be brave.
That is all I ask. Well done.
I'm already sweating a little.
Just open wide for me, please, Leo.
Okay, like this? Is that wide enough?
Perfect. Just relax your jaw a little.
Sorry, I am quite tense right now.
That is okay. Take a deep breath first.
Okay, that actually helps. Thank you.
Your teeth look quite good, actually, Leo.
Really? I expected much worse, honestly.
You have one small cavity on the right.
A cavity, is that very serious?
Not at all. A very simple filling needed.
Will the filling hurt very much?
We use a numbing injection first. Very quick.
An injection? Oh no, really?
You will barely feel it, I promise.
Okay, I trust you, Dr. Emma.
Good. We can do it right now, today.
Right now, I thought maybe next time?
Letter now, then coming back nervous again.
You are absolutely right. Let's do it.
Asking for a table at a busy restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome to Casa Mia.
Hi, do you have a table available?
Do you have a reservation this evening?
No, I did not book. Is that okay?
We are quite full tonight, unfortunately.
Oh no, we are really hungry.
How many people are in your group?
Just two, me and my husband.
Let me check if anything is available.
I really hope something comes up.
You are in luck. One table just opened.
Oh, brilliant. That is amazing news.
It is a small table near the window.
That sounds absolutely perfect, actually.
Follow me, please. Right this way.
Thank you so much. We were starving.
Perfect timing, then. Here you are.
What a lovely table. Thank you, Patrick.
My pleasure. Can I get you some water?
Yes, please. Still water if possible.
Of course. Still water for two. Perfect.
Could we also see the menu, please?
Absolutely. Here are your menus for tonight.
Oh, everything looks so good already.
Our special tonight is the truffle pasta.
Ooh, truffle pasta. That sounds really amazing.
It is our most popular dish right now.
I think I already know what I want.
That was a very quick decision.
When something sounds that good, why wait?
I will give you a few minutes then.
Thank you, Patrick. This is lovely tonight.